Morgan Sturdivant is live now in Kittery, where crews have been working to get a tree off of a business there. Morgan, what can you tell us?
Hey there, Steve. Well, this is proof of just how powerful those winds were today. Take a look at this behind me here. You can see where this tree came down on top of this business, ripping down the gable end of the top of it right there. You can see just a mess left behind. Now, thankfully, no one was hurt. It happened around 4:30 today. Now, this is the Dog's Tale. It's a kennel and daycare for dogs. We spoke with one customer who said he picked up his dogs just about an hour before this happened. Now, was his reaction when he returned to see the damage.
Oh my gosh, little more than I expected. I was expecting maybe one tree down in the back, not a humongous 4-foot tree sitting on top of where once a gable was standing.
So I did speak with one of the owners after this happened. They said that they will be removing this tree, getting everything cleaned up here tomorrow. Live in Kittery tonight, Morgan Sturdivant, WMTW News 8.